Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it is time for another Hakka lesson on ICRT FM 100.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today let's talk about music because Xie Yue is a very well-known Hakka musician here in Taiwan. And we talked about him before. And recently he came out with a new song that is called 月光回乡曲，对吧？我听说有这个新的最近的作品作品 A production from 谢宇威 It's called 月光回乡曲。
捏讲
教过嘛？月光 Moonlight, OK？
回乡曲
OK？ 回乡曲啊，这首歌的意义是
看到捏讲看到月光，应该就会想到故乡
就会想到故乡。
对
Okay, a lot of people do that. When you look at the moon, gaze at the moon, you think of your hometown. And that's the gist of this song. And I heard that this song is actually based on a very well-known Italian opera. 其实这首歌的曲它是取自于这个意大利很有名的歌剧，对不对？
意大利
什么意大利？我大利，你大利，矮大利。
意大利，意大利啊！
意大利 Italy in Hakka is
意大利。
意大利 And then an opera 歌剧。
歌剧。
我说歌剧不是歌曲哦。
对啊，歌剧是歌剧。
歌剧that's 歌剧。那歌曲的话呢？
歌曲。
Oh my goodness, it's a very slight difference right there. If you just want to say a song, 歌曲
歌曲
But if it's an opera, 歌剧
歌剧
那顺便教一下欧洲怎么说
欧洲
If there's any Europeans out there and you want to speak a little bit of Hakka, try this one. That's difficult. 欧洲
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's review these terms here. The newly written song by 谢宇威 is called 月光回乡曲
恰意为捏讲回乡曲
恰意为谢宇威捏讲回乡曲 Alright, that's gazing at the moonlight, thinking of your hometown. And it's based on an Italian opera. 意大利
意大利
And it's an opera 歌剧
歌剧
如果只是歌曲 a song
歌曲
And finally, if you're going to Europe or coming from Europe, 欧洲 And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家
安子赛张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.